So, Liang-Yi, after you graduate from the college,
Yeah.
you know, so you just started working for like global warming and
Yes.
environment.
Yes.
So you major, you studied about this.
No, I study medical.
Medical.
Medical science.
So,
Anatomy. So in
anatomy.
hospital and dissections for patients.
Yeah. So you were going to be like a doctor.
I can be.
You could
like,
be
yes.
a
But
doctor.
I stopped and I finished my study and then I give up.
So what made you change the profession or your job?
I'm just interested in the international stuff. So I went to the Copenhagen for the COP meeting for climate change.
I see. COP なんとかってあるじゃないですか。COP.
And then I found that there are so many young people there. And then when I went back to Asia, no one talked about it.
I see.
And I feel like, okay, I can do something. So I called my friends and then asked like, anyone know about this global warming?
I see.
And I founded an organization. Now it's like 10 years.
I see. So you started from zero, scratch.
I started from two people.
Two people.
Me and my friend.
Wow. But it's very hard, to keep going, keep doing.
Well, yes, but we call all of the NGO at the moment. I write email to people like you, I write people to you, and then we meet and I say like, want to do something, and then they said, no, too difficult. They say,
I can imagine.
You should go to hospital and you should get you can make a lot of money. Be a doctor. Don't do on any. So I call my friends, and then my friends introduced me to one of the projects to go to Samoa, South Pacific. It's an international volunteers project. So it's about documenting the sea level rising. Because in the meeting I hear like global warming because of the ice melting and the sea level rising. I never see it in Taiwan.
I see. But Samoa Island, level
is really low. And they say the sea level rising, so the island will be disappearing. But I never see it in Taiwan. And I feel like, okay, Taiwan is also an island like Japan. Maybe one day it will be in Taiwan. So I saved like 1 year money and I buy the ticket to go to Samoa.
Samoa, wow. And
it was 9 years ago.
9 years ago. So how long did you stay in Samoa?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So we went to introduce people, went to the village, and to ask like, do you know climate change? Do you know global warming? And everyone said, no, I don't know. So then I feel like, okay, there's like a difference. Then we still write a book, and then we have a documentary, and then we fundraising for a lot of money, and then I think we got like media approaches and the book published, so we make a little money, and then we say, okay, what should we do after we go to the South Pacific? So it's a project to go to 9 countries. So I'm the only one, and with 22 others.
I see.
So then I went back with a lot of people, and then we asked around like, who wants to stay and to do something else, or do whatever about climate change or global warming. And only 5 of us say, okay, I will. And the rest of 17, they just go back to school, they find a job, or go abroad studying. And then I was one of I was the youngest. I'm the only guy.
Really?
Because they want to run
girls.
Other girls. And then there was there was a moment when the 2 girls said that why don't we have a shop? Because we need a space to talk about climate change, and every time we need to call to find a space, and we have to pay. So why don't we own a shop? So then we found a buildings, and then my parents are working on constructions. So I know how to plant, I know how to find the furniture. So then we build a cafe and a hostel.
Hostel.
Yes.
I see.
So we rent the 3 floors buildings. The ground floor is cafe shop, and then second and the third one are hostel.
I see.
So then I can run meetings like this on the second floor or the ground floor event. It's like your coffee shop.
I see. Are you still running the place?
No,
no
we
more.
run 2 years. We break even, we make the money. And then 5 of us, 2 found another job. One is a journalist, and the other 2 want to go study and want to go other countries. And then I got the job in 350.
I see.
So
350. I see. That was a job.
It was a job. And then we talked, and then we decided to sell the shares to one of our friends. And then we still can go back to the shop, but it's still running a Fairtrade sugar, palm sugar. And then so we imported a Fairtrade coffee, but then we found a friend like running a Fairtrade sugar, palm sugar, and then he's working in Cambodia. So he made a palm sugar, and then we decided like, okay, maybe we should sell the whole shop to him, but we can go back and then still run our events, and then we can do something else.
I see. So still, coffee shop is still there.
Still there.
Your friend is right.
Yes.
I see.
And they still remain the furniture, the painting, everything. Yeah.
And then, so that, after 2 years, that was like 2000, I don't know, 13, 14?
The Samoa, 2010.
2010.
And then coffee shop 2 years, 2012.
2012.
And then we sold to our friend running sugar. And then I don't know what to do. I graduated. In Taiwan, I have to go to the military services.
I see. 1 year?
1 year.
1 year.
11 months.
11 months. 11 months. I see.
And then at that time, Chinese government changed the policy. So it changed to it was mandatory, but now it's recruitment.
I see. So it's not mandatory.
It's not mandatory.
I see.
So I was the first year got relief, so I don't have to do military service.
Oh, okay. So you didn't know. You didn't know.
So then I got 1 year extra free. And my dad asked me to go to find a job, and I don't want to. So I applied for projects. One is to go to COP, to learn again the international news, climate change, and another one is to go to Antarctica, because sea level rise because of the ice melting, and I saw the sea level rising.
In Samoa.
And then I was asking myself, like, should I see the origin?
Melting. Origin.
Yeah. So, but I found one foundation. They fundraising, so you have to go to the trip for fundraising $20,000 US.
20,000. That's a lot.
Yeah, for 3 months. So it's like you can go to Antarctica for free, but you have to fundraising for the foundation $20,000 US in 3 months.
In 3 months. So how did you do that?
I go to all the coffee shops.
So
I talk to
donation.
donation. Yeah. So I asked 7 shops to run the events to selling the products in a coffee shop. So Irene and Justin, they're also the coffee shop owner.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why I make friends with them.
Really? So you
make
asked them?
events. Yeah, I asked them. That's why I know them. Yes.
Really? Wow. I didn't know that. And you made 20,000 US dollars.
No.
It's a lot.
Yeah, I only made 1/3.
1/3. 3분의 1. But you did a good job. Yeah. From zero. Yeah. I know how hard it is.
And then I said, if you want to know, come to my fundraising. You should donate.
And
So
they came.
It was 31st speech I gave. I remember really clear because that was the night I cried. Because I never saw them, and then they listened really into me, like what I'm doing, and I thought like I go to the Copenhagen, I go to learn about climate change, I go to Samoa, because they always think I go to Samoa for fun.
I see.
So they don't know like what I'm doing. And then my dad changed. The day after he called me and said, come back, eat lunch. And then he said, how much you own? You still think I borrow someone's money and I have to pay back, but it's not. So then I continue and then I still fundraising. So I borrow the money from my parents at the end, but then I apply for the Johnny Walker alcohol whiskey.
Yeah, whiskey. Yeah,
they have a foundation, and I got their sponsorship.
Oh, wow.
So I got sponsorship by a whiskey company.
Whiskey company to go to another star. That was like 2014, 13. So 6 years ago, 5-6 years ago.
Yes.
After that, so you founded your own
Company.
Consulting company.
Yes.
Consulting company. Consulting 会社 about
Sustainable design.
sustainable development. 持続可能な開発。including global warming, now SDGs also.
コンサルティングは企業に向こうだ。
そう。
コンサルティング。
Consulting.
So, like now, how many clients do you have?
Wow, we have so many clients.
So many clients.
Yes. We have 4 different departments with 4 co-founders, but I only provide the social issue concept to combine with the business strategy, because we think that business is so good at solving problems, and there are so many like climate change or gender or poverty issues, and so many different problems. Why don't we combine these two together? So I met Justin. He's so business.
Yeah, so the company is a Plan B.
Yeah, Plan B.
So Irene was working
Yes.
together also. 1 year. 今わかりました。So Plan B, Justin also running a co-working space and
Yes,
did
yes,
things also together.
yes.
I see. So 4 co-founder, Justin, you,
2 co-founders, me and Justin,
you and Justin,
and then 2 other partners.
2 other partners, 4 departments.
Yes.
So one is Justin, right? Business.
Yes.
And
He's overlooking
all the product, but
yes.
also
But he know design.
design.
So he do graphic design, product design, all the design, space design. And I'm more like consulting, NGO consulting, social issues, education, training.
And how about other 2 partners?
So the other one doing exhibitions, like the events like that. Yes.
Events.
Events. We do Fairtrade Day.
Fairtrade Day.
We do music. Because Taiwanese want to find a cultural and arts. So we combine different elements to one project. And another partner do the space, co-working space, living space, and the park.
Park.
Okay. So I have to go now.
Yeah, no worries. We will keep in touch. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
And I'll send you the link of the video and the whole thing.
Last time you've been to Japan was 4 years ago?
Yes, 4 years ago.
Wow.
Because my work was Asia. And we have office in Tokyo.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Plan B? 350.
I have two jobs now.
2 jobs.
One for NGO, one for business.
N ストはどこに拠点を置いてるの？台湾。
350 headquarters,
Global, New York.
New York. 350, 350 度。
350度。知らんな。I don't know, sorry.
It's a new.
It's a new.
So, there's office in Tokyo. Also. 東京に事務所。Why, she's asking, why 350?
The CO2 emission needs to remain 350 ppm.
二酸化炭素の濃度が350 ppm.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna take you to your family.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think they will be around.
Just tell me where they are.
Yeah, I'm asking.
I know so much about Osaka.
Please enjoy. Please enjoy.
Thank you for your time.
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。すみません。
ぜひなんかやっていきましょう。具体的にね。
具体的にいきましょう。
buying something.
Buying something. Yeah, nice.